Hello, this is what happens before the Histo Lab exam. Another YouTube video. What's that?
Phone's not working.
Okay. Okay, Wonder Girls. What do you think?
What do I think about?
The Histo exam?
Or fucker shit.
Hi Vicky.
This is the vagina.
Very good. This is simple columnar with
Ciliated.
brush border, silated. How are you going to do on the exam?
Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling
This is dedicated to
capital. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa, di ka na mamahal.
I'm pretty.
I'm pretty.
What you reading?
Adipose tissue.
Example of adipose tissue. Tina!
Well, what you doing?
Reading notes. Then here's our list
What kind of list?
for our practical in histology.
Oh, okay. How about you, Kom Laude?
Look. Yes, book.
Today he brought a book.
No.
What
it's
do
not
you
mine.
think? Are you prepared?
Not yet.
What? Mahirap
I'm just
dude?
reading. Yep.
Say it. Mahirap dude.
Mahirap dude.
Now let's go see them preparing for the exam.
Bakit ayaw mo yan?
Oh, I ran into somebody. Oh, he's preparing for the exam. Ante, kumusta na eh? What do you think about this upcoming fail? How about you? So. How about you guys? What do you think about this upcoming histology lab exam?
I think it's hard. I don't know what to answer.
How about you? What do you think?
I don't know what to think.
Because you have report later?
Yes. How about you? What do you feel about this coming practical exam? You pick it.
It's a good thing that you asked me that question. Because really, I'm not sure. Let's go ask Hannah.
Hey, last time also you interviewed me and in neuro I got zero. I don't want to get zero again.
What do you think about this upcoming history exam?
It's gonna be very hard and fucking up and whatever you call it. Go.
Say
Bye-bye.
bye.
Good luck.
There's here.